Tracking social media performance without logging into every app is easier than you think. If you're managing multiple accounts and want to stay on top of things without opening each app one by one, this guide will show you how to do it quickly and efficiently. First, let's talk about the core problem. Jumping between platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and others can waste a lot of time, especially if you need to analyze performance across multiple channels. But with the right tools, you can track social media performance in one place, saving time and improving your workflow. The software we'll be using today pulls data from all your social media accounts into one easy-to-read dashboard. You'll be able to see your follower growth, engagement rates, post performance, and more without needing to open each individual app. This software helps you track key metrics, giving you a clear view of what's working and what's not. You'll want to start by connecting all your social media accounts to the software. This step is simple. Just log in to your accounts through the software's dashboard, and it will pull all your data automatically. This way, instead of checking each app, everything is laid out for you in one place. Once you're connected, the software will display real-time stats like likes, shares, comments, and follower counts from each platform. It even gives you engagement insights, showing you how well your posts are performing with your audience. If you're focusing on growth, you'll be able to track how your audience is increasing over time. Now, the best part about tracking social media performance without logging into every app is the ability to schedule reports. Instead of manually checking metrics daily, you can set up reports that will be emailed directly to you. You can choose the frequency and what metrics you want to track, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly updates. This means you'll always have a snapshot of your performance without doing the legwork yourself. Another big advantage of using this software is its ability to track multiple accounts across different platforms at once. Whether you manage one or several social media profiles, you can compare performance side by side so you know where to focus your efforts. And for those of you looking for a little extra help getting started, I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today. You can follow along, see how it works, and even test out all its features. Just check the link in the description below to get your free trial, available only for viewers of my channel. As a quick recap, here's what you need to know. Track your social media performance without logging into every app by using a software that integrates all your accounts into one dashboard. Connect your accounts, view key metrics, and schedule reports to save time. Plus, you can track multiple profiles simultaneously, making it easier to analyze performance. Remember, if you want to try the software for free, head to the link in the description. Don't miss out on the exclusive free trial and make your social media management much more efficient. Key takeaway: stop wasting time by logging into each social media app individually. Use a unified platform to monitor all your accounts in one place and track performance in real time with scheduled reports. Thanks for watching.